Folks, this is James Amo with Frimpson podcast. I'm here with Miss Fola
Badewa.
Badewa. She is really, really, really good loan officer. I really love how she does her loans. Recently, we did one, right?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did $640,000, and it didn't take long.
No, not at all. Only 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah. So
and I can talk about that story of that, so people can understand, different type of loan they can do.
Yeah.
So James introduced this gentleman to me. So he came, and we always look at their credit, their income, and their down payment.
Yeah.
So I looked at the credit. Credit was great. I look at down payment. He has good money, but he doesn't have income on his taxes. I look at his taxes. I'm like, oh my God, you have negative income because you claim everything. He said, well, that's what I do because I don't want to pay taxes.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, we can still get your house. Like, oh wow, how? I thought you would tell me what to do, and in 2 years I'll come back. I said, nope, we will do this now. So what we did, he's a business owner, and he already owns one home. So we're able to purchase the second home, just analyzing like if that home will be rented, how much is that going for in the market? Okay. And then we compare that to the mortgage. So the mortgage was $4,500. And then rental analysis came back that if they rent that house in that area, it's going to be rented for like $4,600. So that means that property cash flow. That means it's a good home.
Even they haven't rented it for
exactly.
It doesn't have any rental.
They didn't even rent it at all.
Oh, wow.
It's just the appraisal just looking at the analysis and saying that this property, if it's rented, this is how much it will go for. There was no lease agreement. There was nothing. So it's an amazing program. Once you have good credit and you have 20% down.
So those people like me who write off almost everything.
Everybody does.
Everything, I write off almost everything. The only thing you need is having a good credit from me.
Yes, good credit.
And then showing my bank account that I have money
down payment, yes.
Down payment. And then what else again?
We will not care about income. Nothing. No income.
No income. So no tax returns?
No tax returns.
You don't request any tax returns at all?
No tax returns. All we did to make sure that you are a business owner. And so that's all we need to prove your ownership in your business. So your registration to know that this is your business.
I think I haven't heard this from any loan officer. That's why loan officers are different though.
Yes. People just don't know.
Wow.
If you go somewhere else, they're like, oh, sorry, you don't have income. Come back in 2 years.
So folks, if you own a business in the Twin Cities or anywhere in the United States, do you?
Yeah, this program, Guarantee Rate, we're actually national lender. We're in all 50 states.
Oh, so if someone lives in different states,
they can call me. I will be able to assist them.
Oh, really?
With Guarantee Rate. I might not do it personally because I'm not licensed in all 50 states. But Guarantee Rate, our company, is licensed in all 50 states.
Oh, so you can find them a loan officer somewhere?
Yeah, no. We'll just go to our system. We just see who lives in that area. And then because we have the same program.
Oh, okay.
They'll just be able to do it.
Oh, okay. Yes. So if someone wants to contact you, right now.
Yes.
Let's say someone is watching the video and said,
I will send you a number.
Get in touch with this?
Yes, the number you can call, you can text 612-423-5847. Of course, in the Twin Cities, you'll be able to find them my house, right?
Yeah. I mean the Twin Cities or even Minnesota.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. All Minnesota.
Yeah.
Absolutely, all Minnesota. So for me personally, I can do loans in Maryland, Texas, and in Minnesota.
Oh, wow.
Personally.
Wow.
So if you're anywhere watching and you're like, oh, I'm self-employed, I have money, but I can't show income, that would be, time.
I think Texas have a lot of small business owners.
Absolutely.
Houston.
Yes.
Hey, folks, if you're watching from Houston,
Or Dallas.
Or Dallas.
Yes.
Just
Everywhere.
call everywhere.
Yes.
Wow, this is a nice program though.
I have another one that I want to talk about. So I want to just showcase a lot of self-employed folks, because now I found out a lot of people are just starting their own business. They don't want to work for anyone.
Yeah,
They're
mostly
like,
this time.
Yes.
Last time I was talking with somebody, and then the person works with federal government, and then this guy was laid off.
Yeah.
Just they let him go.
Absolutely.
He has worked there for almost about 10 years.
Wow.
Let him go. So I told him, I said, look, it's good for you to work for yourself.
Absolutely.
Even though it's hard, beginning is it might be very hard.
Yes.
But if you don't try, you won't know.
Absolutely.
You know.
Absolutely.
So a lot of people are trying to just work for themselves.
Yes, absolutely. You know? We found out that's a lot. So the other program for self-employed borrowers that I want to talk about is 1099. Let's say you are driving Uber, you're driving Lyft. That's just what you do for a living. And you do it like 10 hours a day. You make good money on your 1099. But when you go file your taxes, you write everything off. You're like, oh, I repair my car, or I bought, gas, I did this, and then you pay taxes on, on small amount. Then you don't have enough income on your taxes. But we have a product that we can get you a loan just using your 1099. We will crunch the number of 85% of that income. So let's assume that your 1099 income is 80,000 a year on your 1099. In the past, we would just have to look at it on the taxes. But now we'll say, okay, 80,000, 85% of that is 68,000. We will say your income that you can use is 68,000 a year. And we will not need tax returns, and we can get you your home loan at that time. In the past,
with Uber income. Yes,
with Uber and Lyft. So if you're listening and you drive Uber, you drive Lyft, and at the end of the day you don't show much income on taxes, please contact us. We'll be able to assist you, because we don't need your taxes.
Yeah, there are a lot of Uber drivers out there who are struggling to find a place.
Absolutely.
Even sometimes renting.
Absolutely.
It's difficult because they want to find out end of year. They want to look at their 1099 or W2s, and then they don't have it.
Yeah.
And,
absolutely.
But I think Uber, I don't know if Uber issue 1099.
They do.
They do?
They do.
They do.
They give them, let's see. Yeah, they give them like their income report at the end of the year to show that, we've paid you 70,000 this year. Okay. So that we can use it.
So you can use that report.
Absolutely. Yep, we can use that.
And then how long they have to work there? So for them to qualify.
So with that, 2 years.
2 years. At least.
Yeah, at least 2 years. And that takes me to another product that we can use for, it's all about self-employed folks today, because I know there's a lot of you out there, and then you just stuck not being able to buy, because everywhere you go, they just keep saying denied. Sorry, no income. Yeah. Denied. And probably you went to a lender that don't have all these products. It would just not be able to get done. So if you drive Uber for a year, we can actually use another program just asking for your profit and loss statement. No taxes, but just profit and loss statement. You
mean Uber?
P&L. Yeah, because
but Uber drivers doesn't have profit and losses.
No. How did we can do they can find a CPA to do that P&L for them. It's actually the most simplest thing ever. It can be done within a day or two. They will just go to a CPA that prepare taxes, and they will say, prepare my P&L. Just imagine they don't need to file that P&L. We can just use it that way. Just somebody saying, oh, you make 80,000 a year. Then you'll say, oh, I only have expenses of 10,000. Then they'll give you 70,000 on the P&L. And we can use that income. Yes.
But if someone uses that income,
Yes.
my question is do they have to file taxes
They
based
don't.
on that?
They don't. That's the beauty of that. They do not have to file. We don't care about that taxes. So it can be made up. It can be made up.
Yeah.
So
wow,
I know
this is really
there's a ton for self-employed out there.
self-employed.
Yes, there is a ton out there.
Wow.
So now that you're hearing that, I'm sure you have questions. So what
Okay,
question?
yeah, folks, this is a great news for self-employed individuals.
Yes.
If you are working out there and then you feel like you are struggling to find a place for your loved ones, the time has come for you to make a decision.
Absolutely.
You know, pick up your phone and call to find out. There is no harm in trying, right?
Yes.
Once there is opportunity, you don't want it to, you don't want to run away from it.
Absolutely.
You want to grab it, So this opportunity has come. If you're working for yourself, you drive Uber or Lyft or whatever it is, try much as you can to find something good for your family and then call. Pick up the phone and then call. What is your number again?
612-423-5847. You want to leave your number too?
Yeah, if you want to call, looking for a real estate agent, my number is 763-732-3582. 763-732-3582. My name is James Amo. Okay, I think my question is, if let's say someone is running a Uber, right?
Okay.
And then maybe he or she want to buy with his or her spouse.
Okay.
Can they use both the program? How does it work? Can you use both their income if the other partner is getting W-2s or whatever it is?
That's a very, very good question that you've asked. Very good question. So, because the W-2 is now self-employed, we will not add that W-2 spouse onto the loan.
Oh, wow.
Because you're able to get those, loans because you're self-employed. But they cannot use that for W-2 because it looks, it will look like a lie because you will have your income. It's already spelled out on W-2. So that's why you will not be able to merge with someone that just doesn't show income.
So if someone is, I know some people who drives Uber.
Yes.
And they work at the same time.
Okay.
Can they combine their income?
So if it's that situation, then what we're gonna do is just gonna ask for the taxes to see if they file that other job on it. Then we will go a different route with that person because if they have W-2, then they already have, a job that we can use.
Oh.
They already have a job that we don't have to be creative because they already have the job.
No, yeah. One thing is some of the people have regular job, but the income is not enough. That's why they do Uber. So and then it turns out to be like the Uber income, is higher than the regular job.
So if it's higher, we will just have them just not use the W-2 and just go with it. So I'll look at it, see which income is the is the most. Then we'll use that. So it's case by case. It just depends. So just for example, if W-2 income is like 40,000 a year, and Uber is 80,000 a year, I'll just eliminate the W-2 and go with. But I will not be able to. I will not be able to combine it because of the program type that I'm doing. Because that program type doesn't allow W-2 to be used in that program type. Except yes, it does. So the only time we can combine both is if I'm going with regular conventional loan or regular FHA loan. Then I'll be able to say, okay, this 80,000, when you file taxes, you only made 30,000 from it. So I'll be able to combine that 30,000 plus the W-2 40 and give them 70,000 and do a regular FHA, a regular conventional.
Okay. Oh, so this program itself is not conventional loan and it's not FHA loan.
It is called non-QM, non-qualified mortgage.
Oh,
So,
non-qualified mortgage.
yes,
Okay.
it's called non-qualified mortgage. It's just it's just a portfolio product that banks are bringing out right now. It's creative. It's called creative lending. It's just like people like you and I that have money that's doing these things.
Yeah.
That just have billions of dollars. They're like, you know what? I'm gonna, I'm not following government guideline. I just want to borrow these people because I know they're business owners. They have money. They have good credit. They just don't follow conventional FHA. So
another question is, this is just, there are some people who, what should I say, they work and receive cash. They don't have any, those who does, what should I say, whom have private pay.
Yes. Oh, yes, absolutely.
So private, those people, how can they qualify?
So that one is a tricky one.
It's a tricky one.
It's a tricky one because cash just doesn't fly in mortgage lending.
Yeah.
They just don't like cash because why? Because of government money laundering, rules. So they just can't track those money. That's why they just frown at physical cash. For people like that, I will just say maybe they should maybe collect 1099 because they can still give them 1099 at the end of the year.
Yeah, because
they can make it a 1099 and then they can buy using 1099.
Yeah, the 1099, some people, some individuals don't want to issue. I don't know why people pay cash though.
I know.
I don't know why, because there are a lot of people who are hiring this, home health.
It's just the employer that wants to save money, but it's not benefiting the employee. Because if they pay them cash, they're not paying their unemployment, they're not paying their social security, they're not paying their, anything. So it's not beneficial to the buyer, but they think it is because they just give them cash.
Yeah, because
they think it is,
because what is happening is minorities think getting cash is a great thing.
I know. Like, I'm not going to pay taxes.
Yeah, I'm not going to pay taxes.
But
I'm not going to pay this.
And you don't have income. That's really what he says. You really can't do much what others are doing. So
wow.
I will encourage no cash.
Wow.
Make sure you demand a 1099 or W-2 from your employer.
Okay, folks. Okay. We will get back.
Yes.